Morning and welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name's Leslie Ann. My channel's Leslie Ann Sparkle, as you probably already see. So I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. I have to confess, I've already opened it. So it's like I'm doing an unboxing of a box that I've already opened. I couldn't resist, just couldn't resist. What box am I talking about? I am talking about my latest Degusta Box. So I'm just going to open it and show you guys what's inside of it. This is how it comes packaged. It's a great big cardboard box. It's all very securely packed. And then you've got this bubble wrap here inside. Also, you get a text message to say that it's on its way. You also get told the name of the driver and the delivery time. If that delivery time isn't convenient, then you can just respond on the little link on the message to say that you're not going to be available and to rearrange another day. So I just think that's fabulous. This box is £12.99. It's a subscription box. You can opt in and out of it. You don't have to have it every month. If you're interested in just dipping your toe into the water and trying a Degusta Box, I've got a link for you, okay, which means that you will be able to get your first box for £7.99. Really good value. Anyway, I'm going to crack on and show you what's in this box. So first of all, you get you get this sort of stuff. This is just showing you a range of wines. So that indicates that some of these items may be in this box. And this again is giving you 50p off your next purchase if you want to buy this milk. And it's also got a couple of recipes on the back. This one gives you 15% off if you want to purchase these teas from Amazon. If you do, I'll just leave it there for a sec, and if you're tempted to try them, there's the code. You might as well just use the code. Let's share the love. This is subscribing to county magazines, so you've got 6 issues for £6. You've got Devonshire Life, Yorkshire Life, Kent Life, Hampshire Life, Sussex Life, life. Loads of different lives. So loads of our counties if you wanted to get the monthly magazine. So I'm going to leave that here so that you can see it should you want to try it. And then here is the Hello Degusta boxes. Oh, a little list of everything that's in here. Again, a little recipe here and here, and on the back another recipe. So I'm going to keep this page open because that tells me how much everything in the box is worth. So you're going to notice 2 things. We had a cup of coffee. Well, we have loads of coffee, but yesterday afternoon we both had coffee and we were both sort of like flagging a little bit. And these, I have to say, are like one of our favourite things to have with your coffee. So it was a pack of 2 of these. We opened them and we had them. I just couldn't resist. They are absolutely delicious. So you just, if you haven't come across these before, the Stroop waffles, you literally place it on top of your tea, your mug or your cup of tea or coffee or whatever hot drink. Place it on there for a few minutes and then it sort of warms up, and then the toffee in the middle becomes all lovely and gooey, and when you bite into it you've got that lovely melted centre. Absolutely delicious. So these are retailing at £1.29 for 2. These were in there as well, the Milky Bar mix-ups. So in here, so they're basically chocolate buttons, but they are quite big, a lot bigger. You've got a combination of the milk chocolate buttons with the white chocolate inside, and you've got the white chocolate buttons with the brown milk chocolate inside. Chris, and these retail at 65p each. Chris did actually say that he probably wouldn't bother to buy them again. Okay, then we've got these Indie Bay spelt pretzel bites with rock salt, 99 calories per pack. There you go, that's what these look like. They are not open, but we haven't opened them yet. They retail for £1 per pack. Indie Bay Snacks have reinvented the classic pretzel using new ingredients and processes to create a snack with benefits. These crunchy, delicious pals are sources of protein and fibre that contain fewer than 100 calories, 99 to be exact, and are vegan too. And they are available at Sainsbury's, Ocado, Amazon and others, it says, but they're £1. I probably wouldn't spend £1 on these, although I don't know what they're like yet, but, you know, my instincts say I wouldn't. Next one we've got is Shaw, the Scottish Seaweed Company, Thai Chili Seaweed Puffs, gluten-free, naturally nutritious and vegan, under 100 calories. That's what the packaging looks like. Okay, £1.19 a pack, which I think is very expensive and I probably wouldn't pay it. Shaw takes super healthy seaweed and makes nutritious and tasty vegan snacks. Shaw seaweed puffs are a delicious, crunchy, savoury snack that's packed with goodness for your nutrition and all for under 100 calories per bag and available in 4 fantastic flavours. I've got the Thai chili. I'm struggling to see what the others are because the print's so small. My eyes are so bad. Available online at Ocado, Whole Foods as nature intended stores. Okay, I've got another packet of the Indie Bay little pretzel bites. Midget gems. Sugar-free, gelatin-free, gluten-free, no artificial colours or flavours. Midget gems, super delicious yumminess. I must admit, I do love this sort of thing, and these are made with stevia. There we go, that's what they look like. It's a 100-gram bag. £1.99 for that. I mean, you do pay more, don't you, for things like, you know, the free-from items. You pay a lot more. Obviously it's a good thing, but it's a shame that these good things aren't lower in price for people to be able to buy. Free-from Fellows vegan midget gems are made with a delicious twist. They are made without sugar, gluten, gelatin and dairy. These products are suitable for vegans and vegetarians. They're also egg-free, soya-free, GMO-free, nut-free and free from artificial colours and flavours. Available from Ocado, Boots, Sainsbury's, Holland & Barrett, Morrison's and all leading health food stores. Okay, it's got some Splendor sweeteners. These are handy to just keep in. I mean, I don't take sugar in drinks. These are just crisp, but you know, we've got a lot of people come and visit us and they might be sort of trying to cut down the sugar, so handy to have. Not something I'd normally buy. £1.50 for that. Each Splendor mini sweet has the same sweetness as a teaspoon of sugar but doesn't contain the calories, and they're available from all major supermarkets and Ocado. Ocado's mentioned a lot, isn't it? You're seeing a theme in this box, aren't you? I mean, it is actually titled brunch and afternoon tea here. Fruity Beauties, 100% organic, 5 fruit. This is a fair trade product. That's what that one looks like. £1.50. Fruity Beauties are on a mission to provide a fun and nutritious burst of life. Our delicious fair trade and organic bars are high in fibre and one of your 5 a day. Positively juicy, these bars are traceable, farm to fork and promote sustainability. Great for tea breaks and lunch boxes alike. Of course, available Ocado and via direct contact. You see, I know that's £1.50, but the fact that it's fair trade and everything, I don't mind that one. Oh, so this is cocoa dairy free, super enriched with 9 vitamins and minerals. I'm guessing it's like a milk. Yeah, dairy free alternative to milk, made with coconut milk, calcium and added vitamins and minerals. Cocoa dairy free super milk. £1.99 is what it retails for, which I guess for what it is isn't too bad. You know, if I was after this sort of milk, I wouldn't be prepared to pay it just because I wanted it. So, cocoa dairy-free super milk is enriched with the 9 key vitamins and minerals, offering super boosted nutrition for all ages, from toddlers to seniors. It provides more nutrients than any regular plant or dairy milk, with a creamy, full-bodied taste. It's delicious to use as a full-fat milk replacement. Available at Tesco, Sainsbury's, Morrison's, Waitrose, Ocado and the Co-op, so quite readily available, this one. Oh, a bottle of Prosecco, look at that. A bottle of Prosecco there. It's going in the fridge for later. Okay, retails at £3.49. Available at Ocado, Budgeons, McColl's, Nicer and Cost Cutter. That's pretty much a general price, isn't it, for a small bottle of Prosecco. Firefly, lemon, lime and ginger, revitalising botanical drink. 250ml. Lovely packaging, really pretty. Firefly drinks, lemon, lime and ginger. £1.55 is what they retail for. I don't think that's particularly bad for that sort of type of a drink. Our revitalising botanical drinks are expertly crafted from still water, fruit juice and active botanicals for the perfect blend of flavour and refreshment. We never add anything nasty. All our drinks contain only natural occurring sugars, no colours or preservatives, and are vegan friendly. Simply sit, sip and smile. Waitrose and Ocado. 2 more things. So I've got this. So this is the tea that I showed you previously with a bit of a discount. If you purchase from Amazon, basically black tea and apricot. Oh yeah, there you go, black tea with apricot. There you go. I'm always interested in trying these teas. Product of the month, this one is. Retails at £3.75. This black tea with apricot is infused with sweet and nutty apricots to create a light fruity beverage. Using only high quality black tea and apricot pieces, responsibly sourced, all delivered in a fully biodegradable bag. Enjoy many of our teas hot or cold. Oh, I might try it cold actually. £3.75. Right now I can't tell you if I would buy these again, because I need to try them, because I think £3.75 is a little on the expensive side, but if they're delicious, they're worth it. Okay, last item in the box is, okay, Hellmann's vegan mayo. No artificial colours, no artificial flavours and gluten free. So there you go, that's what it looks like. 270 grams here. Retails at £2.15. Would I buy it? Probably not, because I'm not vegan and yeah, I wouldn't need to buy it. I will use it, it'll be in my cupboard and I'll use it anyway. Okay, try new Hellmann's vegan mayo. The great taste of Hellmann's, now vegan. Our creamy and delicious vegan mayo is gluten-free, suitable for vegans, and is a great source of omega-3. The perfect addition to vegan burgers and sandwiches, or as an alternative to our Hellmann's real mayonnaise. It's available from all retail supermarkets. So I paid £12.99 for this box. Right, so as I said, £12.99 for the box, and it came to, with the prices on here, £23.41. So as you can see, you know, it is really good value for money. What I do like about these boxes, I particularly like the boxes where it contains a lot more store cupboard stuff that you can use for your meals and things. But on the other hand, it's nice to try things that you wouldn't normally try. You might walk past them in the supermarket, or you'd think, well, do you know what, that's too expensive, I'm not going to pay that for it. But if you're getting it sort of £23 worth of goods for £12.99, then it's a viable way of doing it, isn't it? The other thing I'd like to say is, of course I'm going to put the link below in the, if you click on the show more bit down below, I'm going to put the link if you would like to get your very first box by dipping your toe in the water. Do click on the link. Now, I'm not paid any money for you clicking on that link or anything like that, but I do get a small benefit. You get your first box for £7.99 and I just get some points. the points that go onto my account, and then eventually I think when you've reached so many points you actually get a free box. I haven't reached that yet, so I haven't had a free box yet. This is for with my own money, but that's how it works. So you get something out of it and I will eventually get something out of it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like subscription unboxings, then just let me know if you want me to do some more of them, because it's something I haven't done in a long time other than the Degusta Box. A year or so ago I did a fair few more, and then I just was having lots of repeats of all similar stuff from different boxes, and I just sort of knocked it on the head for a bit. But I am almost tempted to maybe subscribe to one more beauty box, or a beauty box, the only beauty box that I will subscribe to. If you're interested, let me know and I'll do that. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget, give me a thumbs up. If you like my channel, then please subscribe. I have noticed, I went through all the analytics the other day, and I've noticed that 45% of people who watch my channel haven't subscribed. I don't know whether that's maybe because you just don't have accounts or whatever. But so yeah, so 55 of you do, 45 of you don't. So it'd be great if you could subscribe. And I'll talk to you all in the next one. Bye.